Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have the update on the SDE internship. So currently Myntra Ramp Up SDE internship is hiring for the freshers. So it's an unstop challenge. So currently the challenge is live, so make sure you register for this and take up the challenge. So basically it has many rounds, so we'll go to the registration process, the rounds, as well as the eligibility criteria for the same. So coming to the eligibility criteria, so this is for the final year BTech or the BA students who are graduating in the year 2027, and they have some list of colleges which are mentioned. So if your college is within that list, only those candidates will be eligible for this. And those who has took the specialization in computer science, artificial intelligence or the information technology, so only these streams are eligible. And the one who is available for the 6 months of internship from July 2026 to December 2026, so only they are eligible to apply for this particular internship. And coming to the details, so as mentioned, it is for the software development engineer intern, so entry level. And during this internship they are going to offer you the stipend of 70,000 per month. And the work mode, so it is work from office 5 days, like it's not hybrid, it's complete 5 days office. And the work location for this, it is Bangalore. So coming to the recruitment process, the first step, it would be the registration process. So the registration is already started, which will end on 14th of April 2026. So make sure you register before 14th April. And once you register for that, you will be getting the mail for the webinar. So the stage 2, it's a pre-placement talk which will be conducted on the 10th of April. And the stage 3, it's a coding round, that's an online assessment round which will be conducted on 15th of April. And the stage 4, it's a final shutdown, that is there will be functional interviews wherein you are supposed to solve the challenges live, so which will be conducted, or it will be held between 20th of April to 24th of April 2026. So these are the different stages and the deadlines for the same. So make sure you register before 14th of April, so you can also attend the pre-placement talk also. And then coming to the we'll discuss in detail about all of these stages. So the first stage, as mentioned, it's a registration. So you are supposed to register through Unstop. So the registration form or the application form, it is very simple. You just need to fill your basic details and your contact details and the location as well as the organization. And as mentioned in the user details, you need to select the college students only. So this is not the professional or the working professionals are not eligible. Later you need to agree the terms, and you can go to the next step and fill all the required details, and you can register for this internship. So you must register before the deadline, so as mentioned 14th April. And make sure you enter all the required details correctly. And this stage is also an eliminatory stage. So coming to the stage 2, it's a pre-placement talk in which there will be a virtual pre-placement talk, and they'll dive deep into the offerings, and also they provide the roadmap for the rest of the challenges and also regarding the assessment details. And in this question, if you have any questions or the queries regarding this internship, you can ask in the pre-placement talk. And the stage 3, it's a coding or the online assessment round. So this is the first step of this journey, in which you need to be strong in the data structures and algorithms and the programming. And those who are shortlisted, so they have to undergo this online assessment challenge. So basically there will be 15 multiple choice questions and 2 coding questions in the assessment round. And for 15 multiple questions, 15 minutes and 45 minutes will be allotted for the coding questions. So this will be in the online assessment round. And coming to the final shutdown or the functional interviews. So in the functional interview round, like there will be like panel interview which will be conducted, in which you are supposed to, like, there will be live coding interview, and in which you are supposed to demonstrate your approach for solving the real world problems. So this will be in the last stage, that is the fourth stage. So this round, like all the rounds are eliminatory round. So these are the details about this Ramp Up Myntra internship. So make sure, like those who register, they'll also get the pre-placement offers. So you can register for this, take up this online assessment, and you can register before 14th of April, and the link for this, it will be provided in the description. So you can go to the challenge description, and also the roles and the responsibilities, and if you are eligible, you can register for this. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.